Here I have the same ingredients that went into our ratatouille. I'm going to use them to make another classic dish from the south of France, a vegetable gratin. Here I have a dish. This is called a tian. This is the classic shape, this oval shape that you would use to make gratins in France. I have all of my vegetables, my eggplant, peppers, zucchini, onions, and tomato that have all been sliced about 1/4 inch thick. And then I've sliced very thinly my garlic. I have my herbes de Provence. And what makes this dish a gratin is the use of breadcrumbs and maybe some cheese and some more fat such as olive oil to top it and create a nice browned crust. To start, I'm going to add my olive oil to the bottom of the pan. I'll leave a little bit more to drizzle on later. I'm going to add some of my garlic cloves to the bottom. And then I'm going to start layering my vegetables in a colorful pattern. Try to alternate the best you can, using up all of these beautiful vegetables. You'll notice here that all the vegetables are in a single layer. That way they'll cook more evenly and a little bit faster. Here's our herbes de Provence. I'll sprinkle them over the top. Season with some salt, some pepper, a few more of our garlic cloves over the top, and another drizzle of olive oil. Season with some salt, I'm going to cover the gratin with some foil and place it into a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 35 minutes. Our gratin has come out of the oven and our vegetables are nice and tender. Now we're going to make the topping. Gratin means browned. Oftentimes you'll see cheese and breadcrumbs as part of the topping. You may use just breadcrumbs if you like. I'm using Parmesan cheese here. I'm going to add some chopped up parsley, a little bit of olive oil just to help coat it. Mix this around. And the reason I've added the olive oil is to help for even browning. Great. Now we'll sprinkle this mixture over the top. I've set my oven to broil and we're going to put our gratin in the oven to brown on the top. And here you have it, our vegetable gratin. If you like, you may sprinkle a little bit more fresh herb over the top when it comes out of the oven.